right, let's do this. That smell is terrible. So Vinny, what do we got? We got this fridge that has a whole bunch of rotten stuff in it, which we will not open because
stuff, milk, curdled cream, and it's all open.
I think a Red Bull also blew up in there somehow. I don't even know how, but I opened it once and almost died from the smell. So we are gonna tape it so it does not open on our way down the stairs and out to the dumpster.
Yeah, how are we getting rid of this? That means we have to dump it.
I don't know. See, okay, we could just get rid of the whole fridge.
Bad being this close to it.
We could just get rid of the entire fridge. And I'm almost tempted to. Because, I mean, we could go in the garage and get the hose and spray it out. But that's a lot of work, and it's going to be terrible.
You could search in the garage if they have, like, insulation masks. They might have them in there.
Yeah, maybe.
Genius.
Okay, I'm ready now. Are you? You got that hookup?
Couple.
I got the tape over it now. We got it all taped up so that it hopefully doesn't open. You hear it swishing in there? Okay. Oh, that's a milestone right there. We moved it about 20 feet and that's, man.
It sloshes.
Dude, it does. It like swooshes around in there.
No, that was a leaf. I found a leaf. Okay. We should just keep it like this and put it on the side of the road and say free. Wait, we should make sure that it's not going to seep out, so we should turn it so it's downhill.
Okay.
A little. Yeah. The slightest. Are you really opening it?
We gotta air it out. It'll be better if we air it out.
Ready?
Oh. Here we go. Going into the unknown. There's tape on the top and bottom, but it should break. Okay. Back it up. No, we closed Vincent. Well, your poll, everyone got to see it, at least in the YouTube. Yes.
Oh, it smells like butt.
Look at that mess. Look at that carton.
Why is it brown all over? Oh my goodness, that carton.
I'm losing my voice because I'm dying.
Where's the Red Bull?
I don't know. There must not have been Red Bull. Why were you wanting it?
Dude, that carton's so bad. It's so gross.
Okay, our work is done. Bye.
We have to clean that.
I know.
Everything but the brown carton.
What? That's not how it works.
Yo, I low-key want to grab that whipped cream and spray it and just see what it looks like.
Oh, the open one? The nozzle is black. Why did I tape my face?
You're cleaning your pores.
And my
facial hair.
huh?
At least you don't really have facial hair.
Well, I
You
have
a
some.
little.
Yeah, I trimmed it. Ah! Ah! Look at that. But that is disgusting.
I can't smell it from here, at least.
Yeah. Thankfully,
wind blows
the wind.
towards
No, it's breezy, and thankfully it's more away from it.
It's far away.
Okay,
All right.
let's go
Let's go
inside
home.
and wait.
It's still sealed.
That one's probably, well, it's not gonna be fine, but it's probably not as bad.
When does it expire? Oh.
I don't think the expiration date is what matters. I think the fact that it was just sitting in a warm fridge for months is what's bad.
It has no leeway to it.
There's not.
Dude,
Oh.
it's so thick.
It looks normal.
Smell it. It just smells like a stinky sock almost.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell like rotten. It just doesn't smell good.
But feel it. You can feel that it's like half.
It's the heaviest whipped cream I've ever felt.
It's heavy cream, bro.
It's very heavy.
I should find out about that other one though.
That?
Oh,
You're not-
dude, looking at it's so bad.
Dude, it is so bad. Look at that! I don't even want to look over at the fridge
Look at that.
anymore.
Yo, that soda's so good though.
Yeah, the club soda's probably good. It's probably flat, but
Yeah.
okay, let's see it.
Like the.
Yeah, okay.
Well, I don't know-
I'm standing back.
I don't know how to do this. I've never done this.
Well, try it. Aw.
Wow, I'm surprised.
Round two?
I'm nervous.
I don't know how they do that. They must untwist it like a tiny bit or something. I say just throw it up again. Okay. You want to dump it
It
in?
doesn't smell anymore. It's done smelling.
Yeah, but when it dumps,
Look.
liquid's
Look.
gonna pour out of
We're
that
gonna
carton.
dump. We're gonna back off. Carson, this has to be done.
Does it really though? That smell is terrible. But we did it. We dumped it out. It's done. Close that thing.
Wait, Carson.
No.
Dude, the liquid that came out of that whipped cream bottle.
I'm plugging my nose. Bring that thing over here. Let's rinse it out. Huh?
Hold on.
You don't want me to turn it off? That should be clean. Were you gonna take it in the kitchen and wash it now? Scrub it?
I think it's fine. You can turn it off.
Jeez.